This is insane. Look at me filming on my iPad. I'm like gonna cry. It's like 1 in the morning right now. Amber's in California, so I'm FaceTiming her.
I feel like our middle school dreams have been achieved.
Like literally. I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. We have such an awesome community, and the only thing that's changing, I feel like everything still feels the same, but just our community is bigger and it's just crazy, and I would not be able to do so many things without you guys. I'm gonna graduate college this semester. I'm probably gonna be doing YouTube full time, and like that's like my actual dream. Like that's why I started YouTube. I was like, I want to be able to do this for the rest of my life. It's been a phenomenal experience, and I feel like I can't even put into words like how fully grateful I am. It's just insane. I keep looking over at Amber because she's smiling at me like this.
I believed in Ashley from the day she started her YouTube in middle school, because she's always hardworking, never gives up, and always believes in herself and just everything.
Thank you.
Even when she was at like 10 subscribers, I was like, well, I know to millions in the future.
What the heck?
That's actually so amazing though.
And of course at the same time, it's like just a number, but like just to like think, like I can't even imagine 1 million people. Okay, I'm going in the dark. I hit 1 million subscribers.
Oh,
that's why I'm videotaping in the dark. Yay, it's really dark.
Get your video ready?
Not yet. I gotta edit it still.
Congratulations.
Thanks. Mwah, mwah. Good night. Good night.
Yeah.
Okay, that was good. My parents were sleeping and I literally woke them up. Good morning. I have to show you something important. Well, yeah. Let's go. Andrew, guess what? I hit 1 million subscribers.
Go! Let's go! 1 mil, baby.
Hey, Andrew, what are we getting today?
Beans.
Beans.
1,000,000 beans.
1 million beans with her mom. Hear it.
Do we eat these? Or do I take a bath in it? That's a lot of beans. Say hi, Mom.
Hi. There's gonna be a lot of beans.
I think that's it.
Just a couple more. Andrew, go in for like 1 second.
No way, Jose. That's
Go in for
illegal.
1 second, for one
That's
second.
there's like 6 cameras. Run.
The beans. Ow. Getting balloons. Put on your mask. We gotta go.
Looks amazing. Let it go, Ashley.
Still tied on my hand.
Oh, perfect. He was just sitting there.
True. Andrew, get up. It's time to eat beans.
We don't want to do it.
Nobody wants to
We're not
eat
gonna-
beans. No more celebration.
We'll eat 1 million nuggets. I would rather do that.
We're getting beans so that we can donate them.
You can donate chicken nuggets.
No, you can't. Not McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Hey
guys, today we're eating 1 million beans.
Hi.
Was that
Okay, that was awesome.
Yes.
High five. Okay. No! We're eating 1 million cans of beans today. Who knows how many beans there are in 1 can of beans?
500.
You told me already.
550 beans.
Something.
Whoever gets the closest can eat 1 less spoonful of beans.
550 beans.
465.
He's correct!
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, that's the average amount of beans per can.
But what's the median?
I don't know, Andrew. There's 465 beans per can. 2,000, I want to say 2,100, I'm trying to do this from memory. 2,150 cans of beans will be necessary. Divide it by 4 for me, Charles, Andrew, and Amber, who we're gonna call in a second because she's in California. That's gonna be approximately 537 cans of beans each. Who thinks they can do it?
Matt Stone.
Matt Stoney. Let's
Oh.
open up some of the beans just so we can put them on the table. I could eat 537 cans. I
You
could eat
smell that?
my fair share.
Did you fart?
La cap.
Oh my god, I smell my armpit.
I was like, I don't smell anything.
Why are you trying to eat a sandwich at the same time? Oh yeah, we got the beans.
Let's make a smoothie. Let's make a smoothie.
Okay, I want to thank all of you so much for 1 million subscribers. Each of these beans represents one of you guys, and it's gonna be great.
I'm a day 1 subscriber.
Your day 1 subscriber. I'm rearranging the beans, and we're all gonna choose our first can of beans. There's so many different flavors to choose from. Black beans. Hey, what'd you get?
I got black beans.
Okay, I also got black beans. No.
What?
Bush's baked beans. Hey mom, do you want to eat a can of beans?
No, thank you.
Can I be in the background too, like your mom?
No. I could literally pick up a bean. This could be you. Who do you think this is?
That's Seneca.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I literally was gonna say this is
I
Seneca.
think she had like one of the earlier fan pages.
This is good true.
That's Cook Drew.
Oh my gosh.
This is.
What is this?
If you're gonna take out the fat chunk,
That's like bacon, ma.
you have to eat it.
Bro.
I'm gonna wash me and Charles's beans because you're gonna get gassy if you eat the liquid. And then I'm gonna call Amber in a second, and Amber is gonna FaceTime us while she eats her beans. And it'll be awesome.
Angel already started.
Hey!
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Ew, 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 ew.
No, there's
Why did you go so fast?
Why is there so much liquid?
Does it taste good?
Yeah, without so much liquid.
Don't eat too much, Amber. I gotta
I'm gonna throw up. This is awful.
Thank you.
No problem. Hey, Andrew, wait for me. I'll be there in like 1 minute.
Ah.
You fart?
No.
I only like beans on my Chipotle.
I'm gonna throw up. Good source of fiber.
You got all the fiber.
Okay, I'm back. They're kind of salty.
That was so hard. I'm dying.
You only ate 1 bite. What do you mean that you're dying?
I'm dying.
Andrew's gonna be the reason that we got to 1 million beans.
Andrew's carrying the team right
Andrew's
now.
literally carrying.
These are the twins at Char's. These two.
These 2 beans, you ate them?
This is Karen.
Okay, Amber, you're like videotaping on your own, right?
On my iPad, yep.
Okay.
You two are like enjoying
Did you put
the
any
beans.
seasoning? Like, I'm enjoying my beans.
Yeah, I didn't put any seasoning or anything yet.
Yeah, more like maybe I want to put ketchup in it. Is that gross though?
Eventually, I have these. Large seasoning salt and cilantro.
Are you eating the whole can, Amber?
Honestly, I might, because they're kind of really yummy.
We have to eat 1 million beans. You have to finish this whole can, Andrew. This is the whole million. I'm putting ketchup in mine.
You guys are both going hard.
Yeah, like Amber's
Amber's
eating
going
it
so fast.
fast.
I'm just watching Amber.
putting
I've
ketchup in
only had
mine.
2 spoons.
Please don't judge me for doing that.
Bro.
What?
You want some seasoned salt?
No! Please
is
don't
that?
add salt in mine.
What is that, Andrew?
I don't know, but Amber grabbed it, so I grabbed
Don't
it.
put salt on your beans, please, Andrew.
So good?
Are you kidding me, Andrew?
Mmm.
Mmm.
I added seasoning. Is so yummy.
Beans.
Ashley!
Beans are, what?
Ashley, turn up
Yeah?
your
The more you have, the
volume.
more you eat, the more you fart.
What did you say, Amber?
I have a question.
Yeah, what's your question?
Does Charles just not like beans in general?
Do you like beans?
I only get it on my like
Chipotle bowl.
That's it.
I wanted to ask a question to everyone. What is your most favorite video that we've done on this channel?
Tea party.
The tea party? Is that the same for you, Amber, or do you have a different?
Honestly, yeah, the tea party.
Okay.
Or like that whole series
whole
of
thing,
videos. Yeah, those were so good.
What about you, Andrew?
Probably one with Kai and Paolo.
Aw, that's so cute. I finished my first can of beans.
Me too.
I'm trying to think of what my favorite video is. Honestly, it might also be the themed dinners, or like you said, one with Paulo and Kai. Or actually, any Nantucket vlog would be my favorite video. Any Nantucket vlog. I love the Nantucket vlog.
Hi, Mom. Hi. Beans.
I think for my videos, I want to keep having awesome family content.
I want all of us to learn how to ride motorcycles.
I want us to learn how to drive monster trucks, and then I want all of us to compete in Monster Jam.
I like that.
Yeah, that's pretty good
I like
actually.
that.
That's like my life goal.
Are you serious?
I've always said that. I want to attend Monster Jam so bad.
Wait, you didn't come with me when me and Dad went?
You guys went to Monster Jam without me?
I've gone before.
What?
You broke her heart.
Amber, Dad one time brought me and Andrew when we were little.
Where was I?
I don't
Obviously,
know.
you were a big flazer back then.
That's literally the one thing in my life I've always wanted to do.
It was like so random though. Like people just like you would sit there and like people would try to like sell you Red Bull and like you just sit there and watch the monster trucks.
Yeah, but it was sick. My favorite was Gravedigger.
Hi Dad, we're
Hello.
eating a million beans.
Do you want any?
Later. Even though everybody's dying, we gotta take one last big
Who's dying?
spoon.
Who's dying though?
I finished a can!
Yes!
That's for the 1 mil.
Oh yeah.
I'll take one more big spoonful.
Okay, ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
Don't
Cheers.
touch mine.
Oh, Amber.
Okay. Cheers. Cheers.
So good?
I can't swallow it. Okay.
Yo, is that a dead animal or a thing of lettuce?
A thing of lettuce?
I don't know.
What? A thing of lettuce with a bird next to it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, ready? We're gonna say thank you for 1 million. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you
guys
for
for
1 million. Oh, this is over.
Thank you.
Thank you for 1 million. Yay! Thanks, Mom and Dad, for helping me so much with my videos and always supporting me. Thanks. Dad's outside, so he didn't even hear that. Oh, hi, Dad. I said thanks. Smell the beans. Hi, Dad. Putting away the beans.
Bobby's gonna eat a million beans.
Yeah, Bubby's eating a million beans. He's going crazy after the juice. Packing up the beans. Okay, guys, we're about to go drop off the beans at the local food pantry. Andrew's driving, so wish me luck.
Dude, where is that place?
Just take a left. Just take a left. Okay, we're here, guys. Time to
Beans!
Time to drop off the beans. Ow. Okay.
We're the ready.
We are the ready. Okay. Beans dropped off.
Beans are gone forever.
Excited? Look the flowers. What's he doing? Look, beautiful. Yay. He's smelling them right now.